Hi, what's up, Reef Finance holder? This is the latest update and latest price prediction of Reef Finance. Kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos. Absolutely, if you watch just 2-minute videos, so you will never need, my friends, to watch a lot of hours videos, my friend. And please, my friends, subscribe our YouTube channel, please. Thank you so much. And this time, my friends, the refinance, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, will take a very huge jump in last 24 hours plus 7.5%. Every coin, my friend, 6 to 7% profits, my friend. And absolutely, this is, I think, something very different now. And refinance price prediction is very simple now, my friend. I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will give you a profit. Please be safe from the loss and take a risk and get a profit now. Allah Hafiz, take care, refinance holder. But remember to, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. And I hope, my friends, too, I also do something very special. But please holders, some holders are coming now to when Reef can pumps up. You told in every video today will pumps up, but they cannot pumps up. So today, my friend, as you can see here, they will pumps up. So therefore, congratulations all of you. Allah Hafiz, take care.